everyone, I'm so excited for today's video. I just really want to have a fresh start. It is like the middle of January, but I really want to have a fresh start. I really want to clean my room. I really want to make matcha. Matcha just eases my mind, and I actually get things done when I'm drinking matcha, which is crazy. We have a control on the choices that we make, and I choose to have a good year. So let's have a good year. Let's get our life together for 2021, and let's go ahead and get started. I made my matcha, so now I need to clean my room so that when the week starts over again, I can just have a nice clean space. So let's get to it.
What do you want to know? I'll be around in a spot, just like you always do. Conquer the fear of the dark. Fall around and roll.
I just finished dusting and everything, but I really don't know what to do with this table because right now this is just that's how it is. It's just a really small table, and it's a table that is best for my room because it is a small space. Usually I just like to keep this to the side if I'm not using it. This wire though is really bugging me. And the hard drive, I need it all the time, and that's why I keep it here. For now, I'm gonna put it in a drawer. I also like to keep my notebook just right there, and my beauty sponge is just there for now. I pretty much vacuumed. The floor is a little bit cleaner. This is where I keep all of my, like the iPhone boxes. I need to throw those out. And then some chargers for the camera and stuff like that. And then for my tote bag, I literally just leave it next to me because it has everything I need. For the next step of getting my life together, I'm gonna be creating a mood board or a vision board. I think I saw a TikTok of what should be in your vision board. It doesn't have to be exact, obviously, but it can be like a dream job, some positive affirmations, a dream home, dream vacation, hopefully dream health. So I'm gonna go on my computer, I'm gonna search up some images, and let's get to work. I'm definitely putting some matcha in the mood board because so of course I have to go on Pinterest. Pinterest is literally like my Google but for images. It just has a bunch of aesthetic photos that I am obsessed with. You honestly just have to put aesthetic into every single search that you do because it will come up and it'll just actually scream aesthetic. I went to search for some dream homes, some of my dream career pictures, as well as some affirmations. I found a bunch of good ones, and then I also did New York as one of the dream vacations. We never know, but New York is definitely one of my top places. I really want to look for positive affirmations that will help me become more motivated in a career. That's all my focus is on right now, is I really just want to make sure I have a stable career, or I'm at least starting to this year. So I really want to make sure I put a positive affirmation that has something about that. It's getting dark. I need to pull out my pulled out the light because it was getting dark. So I saved all of the pictures, and now I'm gonna put everything into Photoshop and arrange the photos and stuff like that. Now on to the editing process. I went on Photoshop. I searched up MacBook desktop dimensions, and that's what I did. I created a whole new image and just imported all of the photos that I saved from Pinterest onto Photoshop. So I'm just basically arranging everything. There is literally no layout whatsoever. It's just freehand. It took quite a bit of time, but I definitely got it down. I also wasn't sure to add text or not, but I decided 2021 actually looked really good. I kind of faded it a little bit so it wasn't too crazy, because I think having the 2021 there just really helps me remind myself what I'm doing and what my goals are for this year. But I think I succeeded it, and that's that. So I'm finishing up what I have right now. Okay. I'm in love with it. So let's just explain what's going on here. So here is the vision board. Don't mind all of the files right here. Those are all of the screen recordings that I just recorded right now. I kind of tried to put career, like fame or travel. Let's start with this area. It says your comfort zone will kill you. And honestly, I feel like for years I've just been stuck in my comfort zone, and that is a no-no. Here is an office space. I just really want to build a career and have my own business, so that's why I have that there. I saw this on Pinterest and it was also like an office space, so I'm gonna leave that there. What is coming is better than what has gone. I just feel like I beat myself up a lot because I have had so many amazing opportunities in the past, and now I just feel like they all are gone, which is not true. I have a whole life ahead of me. I'm gonna make sure I have as many opportunities as possible, and that's all gonna come with hard work and consistency. And of course I have my matcha, and here I just have some of my dream home pictures. I have this apartment right here, and same here is an apartment as well. I just really loved the decor in this one. I am so in love with this kitchen. I love the green, so I decided to just put that there. And then here are some pictures of New York City. I just really want to be able to go to New York City one day. And here are some affirmations to start your day. I really need to start saying some positive affirmations like in the beginning of the day, because reading this makes me so positive. It says, I will be present in every moment. I am smart, I am kind, I am brave, I am beautiful. Today is a great day. This picture is so nice. I'm not sure who the artist is, but I'd love to know. It's just a girl who's having her matcha. I kind of covered it. And here again is a airplane because of traveling, and a green smoothie, and I just really want to make sure I eat more healthy again. So let's go up. This kitty right here. My dream dog is always going to be a doodle. They are so kind, they're so intelligent. Okay, next to that is a fashion week photo. I just really loved the color of the dresses, and then the next picture after that is just a rack of colorful clothing. I am a very colorful person, and I really want to start dressing like myself. And the last thing is I am deserving of everything I dream of. So everything that I dream of, I deserve it. That was a really good experience. I don't really make vision boards every single year. This has definitely taught me that everything in front of me I can have. I can actually grab it and take it, and it can be mine if I just work hard and I stay positive. So now that I finished my vision board, I really want to tell you guys some of my goals for this year. For this year, I feel like I didn't want to write down like the basic goals, like make sure to eat healthy as well as working out more and stuff like that, because that should be things that I should already have implanted in my brain. But these goals are a little bit more personal than that. I made sure to write down my goals, but also make sure to have a plan on how to achieve those goals, because when you have a goal, you literally just write down the goal. That's it. It's gonna be much harder to complete that goal. For this one, I'm just gonna get it out of the way. It's to switch up my wardrobe. I want to add more colors into my wardrobe. I want to use Pinterest as my main source of inspiration, but I do tend to just like look at my closet, grab whatever, and that's it. I'm sorry if you can hear music in the background. My sisters are being very loud. That's my first goal. My second is to forget about the numbers. I'm just gonna post whatever I want, leave it as that. I have been failing a little bit in the beginning of this year, but I know that I will get better. Another thing with social media is to not be on social media as much. If I'm posting, great. That means I can post and then put my phone down. That's it. But I feel like I should just not be scrolling on my phone just for fun. That's literally wasting my time, wasting my whole day, and I'd get nothing done. These last two goals kind of go hand in hand. I really want to expand my income. I remember a couple years ago when I first started YouTube and my YouTube started to kind of grow success, I had multiple incomes coming in because I kind of plummeted. It's sad, but it's true. Because my YouTube didn't go so well in the past couple of years now, and I really do want to go off on a different video, my success on YouTube and why it kind of plummeted and what you should not do and what you should do on making a YouTube channel. So if you guys want my opinion or my advice and tips and tricks on how to be a successful YouTuber, let me know in the comments. I would really love to do that video. I will do that video. I just really want to know if you guys would be interested. I think I was still in college or beginning college. I had multiple sources of income, so that is something that I definitely strive for. I really do want to go back out there, take YouTube seriously, take social media seriously. The last goal, if you guys didn't know, I am trying to build a social media agency on Instagram. It is called Sunny Social, and I'm so excited for hopefully everything that happens with this brand. I really want to help other businesses grow their brand because I feel like I have the knowledge, I have the experience on how to grow a brand in this day and age. I did already launch Sunny. If you guys want to check out the Instagram, that would mean so much to me. And with the providing content as much as possible, I am trying to do that. I also really want to network more so that I can connect with other people and other businesses. I feel like you can definitely tell with my goals that a lot of it has to do with social media and my platforms and how I want to build a career. So I guess that is my main focus of this year. There's definitely more, but that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you found some type of motivation or inspiration to get this year started. Excuse me. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already and support my Instagram accounts as well. Thank you guys again. I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.